Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we will continue using our new indicator. I have now an indicator that you can add in MetaTrader. You'll find a link below the video. You can download this indicator today. Okay? So I will explain how to use it, and after I will show you the result for trading with this indicator for 24 hours. I will show all the trades taken. So let's go to chart. Auto scroll is off. Yes. So how it works. When you see these big dots you see under here now, you see one here, you see there, and see here. You don't need to take every single one, but we are taking them, okay? So when you see enter here, we would enter on this one, would enter on this one, and this one. So 3 trades. And we will then close when you see this in the bottom here, you see the green one. When this one come in the top and turn red, that means this one here, we would close it and we would make profit from these trades. Then the same, if we go back here, we would enter on this one here, right? And we would close it. You see here, this is not valid. We need to be above this line here. Up here is valid, and we will close up here. That will be a profit trade. Okay. Once again, here we would enter here on this one here. We would not enter here because basically the same trade. So we would enter here, you can say, and where we will close, not on this one, we will close on this one that close above here. So close all the up here, a big profit trade. Here you will take the trade the another way. So here we'll take a short trade, would be on this part right here, and we would close the trade down on this one here. So once again a profit trade. Basically just following here, you can see I did enter the trade. I was a little late. We did enter trade on this one here. You see we are here. We are currently running in minus. Not to worry, this will turn profit. And when we come with this will come above here, we will and turn red. That's the time we will close it. Won't be something like you see here, that you go from green to red, then you close it. But only if it's above this line, you see the 70 line. So that's basically how you do it, and you trade on 50 minutes. Super easy, super. I just take 1-2 trades a day. So now let's go and see the trades we have done. We are starting with $100 yesterday, and now we have some trades. Let's put the terminal. Let's put to trade. Let's put to account history. So as you see, we did deposit $100. And yes, as you see in the top here is a live account, it's a real account, of course. We started with $100. Our target is $10,000. But of course, we'll take 1,000 first, and we will now in the start we are going for 0.01 lot size, because you can see we are making good enough with that. We have made $7 now. So as you see, we had the first trade, buy trade. We made $5.76. Then I did a mistake. As you see, I did just open and close it in the same time, so this is not a trade. Then I did a trade yesterday night. That trade was, let's see, let's open it here. It was this one you see right here. If I've kept it open, would have been in profit. But I did see that it started to be night. I did not want to keep the trade open if it go the wrong way. And we are not working with take profit and stop loss levels. So if I have just kept it open, I would have made profit because I wake up around here. So I would have made profit, but we don't do like that. So I learned from that. I only do trades that I know I can close. So for example, this one now, with the time I have left today, I will be managed to close this one before I take night or before I'm done working. So I will keep to around 1 or 2 trades a day, basically. So this loss was unnecessary, could have been profit also. If I follow it, I would have made maybe like $2 here. So we would have maybe $10, so 10% gain on account we would have had if it was not for this trade. But not to worry. You see, we have made almost 8% in 24 hours just following this. My plan is that I will, till we get to around $150, I will keep to 0.01. When we get to $150, I would then move up to 0.02. And thereon we will build and build and build. So we will basically build faster and faster and faster. So I will say 8% on 24 hours is amazing. Like I said, you can have this indicator and you can start use it today. You find link below the video so you can get started today also. So with that, have a perfect day.